Hey guys, it's Yvette. I thought that you might be interested in seeing a little delivery that I got from Riley Blake. And so here we go. I'll just show you. This is really a small order, so I thought we'll just kind of test it and see if you like watching this. But I've got this envelope, and this is some patterns by Anka's Treasures, and it's called Let It Snow. And my plan is to kit this up and sell them in Etsy. So if you think that that pattern is super cute like I did, keep an eyeball out for that. I still don't have the fabric yet, so we're still waiting. This is some Stardust. And Stardust is the newest collection from, I think this is Beverly McCullough. That looks like her. I think that that's Beverly McCullough. You'd think that I would remember, but I just saw the fabric and thought it was really cute. So I've got, it looks like I ordered 6 charm packs, or 5-inch squares. Hey baby. And then I have 1 fat quarter bundle. And then these are the, I think these are 1 yard bundles. I forget what I order. I'll be quite honest. But it's like sometimes you get things in different ways. And let's see, got the packing slip. It says, okay, so the rest must be in this box. So let's open that box. The kids always like whenever I get new boxes, you know. Oh yeah, the rest of it's in here. I thought this was yardage. I didn't remember what was, I never remember what's coming. Okay, yes, okay. So, I actually have 9 charm packs, or 9 5-inch squares. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fat quarter bundles. Now, these 1 yard packs, these always come, these are like, you'll get certain colors that will come. And so they break them down into smaller packs. So I got 2 1 yard packs of each color, like, separation. This one is called Ballerina, and you get 7 pieces in here, 7 yards. I think this one, I'll be honest, I'm going to have to double check because I don't remember how they're broken out, but I think this one is mist. So you've got 7 pieces, and 7 pieces in each one. So 7 yards. And then I think this one is called Vintage. So it's Ballerina, Mist, and Vintage. So I will be putting those up into the shop, and we'll see if you guys like them as much as I do. It's a fairly new collection, just came out. I ended up ordering a little bit later than other people, so there is some that's already out. So you may have seen it already. And yeah, so I'll be putting that in the shop. And if you like this kind of video, let me know, and I can attempt to do more in the future just to show you guys what I'm getting. So very short, sweet video, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah! It's smudgy. Hi, Scout. Does that one look better, buddy? Yeah. Maybe. okay.